In this video, we'll add 3 different types of exterior trim. The first type of exterior trim I'd like to add to the model is for our roof. I'll go to the Architecture tab and use the drop-down menu from the roof icon. I'll choose Roof Fascia. I'll use the type selector to ensure I have the correct type chosen. I can then click on each edge of my roof in order to create a fascia. For our purposes, the fascia will go on every edge of the roof, including the lower roofs as well as the garage. If you happen to miss a segment while you're creating your roof fascia, you can click on the set you created and choose Add Remove Segments. Then click on the edge you'd like to add. Gutters work in a very similar fashion. They're also under the Architecture tab and the Roof drop-down menu. I'll choose Roof Gutter. I'll ensure the type is selected in the type selector. Roof gutters will typically go on the lower sloping edge of the roof. I'll zoom in and ensure that I click the edge of the fascia where the gutter will be. Again, if you need to edit your segment set, click on the gutter and choose Add Remove Segments and make any adjustments that you need. The final type of exterior trim I'd like to add in 3D is a wall sweep. I'll go to the Architecture tab and find the Wall drop-down menu. I'll choose Wall Sweep. In my type selector, I'll need to create a new type. I'll say Edit Type. I'll duplicate the existing type and rename. When creating a wall sweep, I need to download a profile. I've downloaded a dimensional lumber profile from the Load Autodesk family tool. These profiles are 2D elements that will be swept along your wall. We'll see what that means in just a moment. We also want to set the subcategory of wall. That will help when it comes to our line work later. I'll choose Wall Sweep Trim. I'll say OK. I'll hover along a wall. Notice I get a gray shadow for where the wall sweep will be placed. I'll click on a wall approximately where it needs to be. Sometimes it'll appear as if the wall is not being selected. Give it a few steps and it'll work itself out. When you have your wall sweep created, click somewhere off to the side to create the sweep. Once created, you can set the exact height that you'd like it to be. I'll click on the wall sweep, and in my Properties panel, I can change the level to second floor with an offset of half of the height of our new belly band. I'll hit Apply. Notice the location has been adjusted. If you notice any segments missing, it works very similar to the Fascia and Roof tool. You'll click on the wall sweep that you've created and say Add or Remove Walls. Then choose the wall to be added to the set and click somewhere off to the side to accept the changes. I'll repeat that one more time. I'll go to the Architecture tab and find Wall Sweep. I'll click once on the front gable end and somewhere off to the side to accept the new wall sweep. I'll then set the exact height that I'd like that to be. This will be based on the top of plate level with an offset of 0. Continue to edit either the fascia, the gutter, or the wall sweep tools until the exterior of the building is how you'd like it to be. In this video, we went through 3 different types of exterior trim. 2 were for our roofs, the fascia and the gutter. We also used the wall sweep function to create a piece of exterior trim.
I hope this helps.